Scan from your mobile device camera to your printer using HP Smart. Use your mobile device to scan documents or photos. If you do not have the HP Smart app installed, go to 123.hp.com from a browser on your phone or tablet to install the app. Tap the camera scan tile. Place a document or photo as flat as possible on a solid, contrasting surface. Place a light-colored document on a dark surface or a dark-colored photo on a light surface. Tap Photo, Document, or Batch mode, and then complete your scan. Hold the camera still for best performance. Photo mode is optimized for scanning objects and pictures, while document mode is optimized for documentation, such as a flat piece of paper with information typed on it. In either of these two modes, hold your device over the document or photo you wish to scan, and then tap the circular icon to capture the scan. The next screen will display as Adjust Boundaries in Android and Detect Edges in iOS. Drag the blue circles to resize your scan if needed, using either Auto or Full mode located on the bottom of the screen. Auto mode will highlight the item you have scanned, but not the contrasting surface that you placed the item on. Full mode will highlight the entire image captured. After cropping, tap Next on the top right of the screen. On the preview screen, tap the Add icon on the top left to add additional pages to the scan job. Batch mode is for scanning multiple documents or photos in succession. To use this mode, lay the items you would like to scan next to each other and tap the circular icon to capture the first item. Then move to the next item and tap the circular icon when you're ready to capture it. Repeat this process for as many times as you would like to scan, and then tap the blue arrow icon in Android or the round page count icon in iOS to proceed with the scan. On the preview screen, select the ellipse icon on the top right to edit, replace, or delete the capture. In the Edit menu, you can adjust or enhance your file by cropping, changing color, rotating, or adding filters and text. The Replace option allows you to scan a new document or photo in place of the current one. The Delete option will erase the current capture and bring you back to the scan screen. Print your scan, send it as an email attachment, or save it to your device or cloud account. Click the Playlists tab to find your language. Find official HP support videos.